favor. Help me pick a horse so I can win some money.
Oh, you say bet $20 on the one horse? Zendrea. Okay. 2-1. So close, yet so far.
I got place in the show.
And look at this. Debbie's right next to Colonel Custer. General Armstrong Custer.